cam. Click and go GPS mount, quad video, built-in Alexa, made for iPhone.
And Android, more importantly. Got it. Open it up, open it up.
It's quite heavy. Touchscreen.
It takes 2 hours to charge.
Including emergency SOS services.
Brilliant.
That magnet is really strong.
To top it all up, we have the teeny tiny rear view camera as well. Well, you know me, I'm quite looking forward to start having to play with it.
So we gave you a dash cam, something that you guys hinted that you needed in your lives. Why specifically did you need this gadget?
Definitely since Elliot's been born, just the amount of journeys that we're doing to Hereford, where my parents live, and to Bolton, where Bex's family live. But also, I drive a lot with work, and you just encounter so many weird and wonderful situations.
OK. Well, there are a number of reasons why we thought this particular model was good for you. There's a nifty little plug-in rear camera there that's very easy to set up.
It's also got an emergency SOS feature, because I know Elliot sometimes is in the car with you, and I think to have that peace of mind that the emergency services would be alerted if you couldn't do that is really, really important. Well, we gave you this gadget for a literal road test for a week. Let's see how you got on.
Very Len-like. I'm going to look at the instructions. Right. So into the main camera, we have to put micro SD card. And that goes in there. It's great having one unit, so not having to trail a cable to the back to have this installed in the back of the car. We've run this cable up through the sun visor. It comes with a very thick cable. Cable is tucked away, so it just makes it a little bit trickier running it through the interior of the car. Run it through the glove box, out to the other side. Also, the 12-volt plug is huge. It'd be nice to have something a bit smaller, especially in newer cars where most things are USB. The camera is now working and it's recording to the SD card. Fingers crossed we'll be ready to go.
There's the main screen, and then here is the back-facing one. It's really quite good. It's quite compact, and because it's a wide-angle lens, you can see virtually all of the road. It's really good.
The detail is absolutely brilliant, and you have information at the bottom, which is your speed, location, and your time and date, which is handy if there's ever an incident. This is the rear facing, so it saves each file separately. You're going to be able to capture registration plates, even drivers' faces. If someone was to, unfortunately, drive into the back of your car, the resolution, the clarity, the colours, everything is really, really good. Alexa, take a photo with the dash cam. Oh, I've set that up so many times. Alexa, take a photo. I just don't know what else to do. The connection's there, the app is saying it's working, the dash cam says it's connected, but no matter what I do, Alexa doesn't want to work.
So I've just arrived at work. I'm just going to take the dash cam off. You do have to give it a good pull on the way out because the magnet is quite strong, which is fine. Quite positive and really easy to do.
The additional features in the app, the main one to talk about is the SOS feature. If there is a crash, this along with your phone detects movement and it can send your information, location, GPS, medical information to the emergency services. That is fantastic, absolutely brilliant feature.
I think that all looks very positive.
Yeah.
Did you manage to get Alexa to work in the end?
It worked for 30 seconds once.
Okay.
So the saving grace is I probably wouldn't use it much when I was driving anyway.
That's the thing. It's one of those features that it probably isn't something you'd buy a dash cam for. So even if it failed on that front, I feel like it's got many other redeeming features.
Yeah, that wouldn't stop me buying it.
No.
Certainly wouldn't, no.
Video quality looked good. I mean, I could see clearly what the drivers behind you were doing on the rear cam, but were you happy with footage on both cams in general?
Oh, the footage was amazingly clear. what was strange is when I was reviewing the footage, the number of things that you see and you think, wow, that person was on their phone, that person wasn't looking,
Yes.
there was no indication. So, yeah, the footage was superb. It picked everything up that you would need, the reg, the car, the details of the driver behind. You could see everything.
Right.
And that's the sort of thing that insurance companies or hopefully, God forbid, the police would ever need.
Yeah.
It's just all there in crystal clear clarity.
So did you have a particular favourite feature?
I just like the fact it was front and back put together.
Yes.
Brilliant.
Yeah,
Really,
yeah.
really good.
So we now need to reveal to you the price of the mystery gadget that you've been testing. The dash cam came in at £149. But your favourite part of it, which was the fact that it had the rear camera on as well, was an extra £69. So to get the package, it is just shy of £220. What do you guys think of that price?
I think it's good value for money with the features. Absolutely.
Very good value for money.
Sounding
yeah.
positive?
So, are you going to buy one?
Yes.
Yes! I'm so pleased. I'm really, really delighted.